In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a dimensional portal illusion in Blender. Let's create a plane. In edit mode, right-click and type S to subdivide. Let's subdivide the plane 10 times. S to scale. R, X, and 90 to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. Shift D to duplicate, and Y to move on the Y axis. Let's apply two separate external images as the materials. Please activate an add-on called Node Wrangler to use the shortcuts in the node editor. Let's select the BSDF node, and press Ctrl T to add an external image. Let's do the same for the plane in the back. Let's select the first plane, go to Edit mode, type 3 to face select, and shift select the faces in the middle like this. Type 2 to edge select. Alt select the inner edge loop like this. E to extrude. Three to face select. Let's alt select the face loop and apply a glowing material. We need to use the emission shader. Please remember to use EV with bloom turned on. In order to make the scene looking like a space portal, the first plane's material needs to be stationary. In order to do so, we can change the text coordinate to window. I have mistakenly selected the second plane. I'll undo, and do this on the first plane. Now we have a perfect dimensional portal. The coolest animation would be the middle part of the endless space suddenly splitting up, and slide to open like a futuristic window. Then we can see another world inside like this, and if a UFO or a spaceship comes out of it, that would look super cool. Speaking of the UFO, let's create one with a UV sphere. Something like this. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.